Let's learn how to make the iPhone camera full screen permanently. If you want to record in full screen and don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the camera app. Once you've opened it, the first thing you need to do is change the aspect ratio. You'll do this by clicking on the arrow at the top of the screen. When you click on the arrow, some options will appear, and from those options you need to click on the 4:3 option. When you select that, some options will appear, and from those options choose 16.9. Once you've selected that, the camera will be in full screen, but when you close the app completely, it won't save your settings. Now I'll show you how to always have this option enabled. Don't close the camera app completely, just exit and go to Settings. When you open Settings, you'll see many options, but you need to scroll down until you find the camera app. Once you've found it, click on it, and a page with more options will open. From those options, you need to click on the option called Preserve Settings. When you click on that, a page with some options will open. On that page, you need to turn on the Creative Controls option by clicking the button next to it. Once you've turned that on, your camera will always be in full screen. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.